Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am back with another Influenster VoxBox unboxing video. I just love Influenster because they send so many good products and products that I've never tried before. So if you guys also want to receive free stuff from Influenster, I will leave the link down below. It is free. It is not a subscription box. All you have to do is sign in and just connect all your social media and review products and check your email constantly for surveys. And yeah, that is how I got my Influencer VoxBox. So let's open up my box today. Let's see what they sent me. So this is what it looks like inside. It comes with a card, and they sent me the Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lip. And this is what it looks like. And in the back, it just has some information of the liquid lip product. So now onto the main product here. They sent me the Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lip
Rouge à lèvres en creux.
I think that's how you pronounce it. This is what it looks like. The little box. And they sent me the shade Big Apple. So let's open it up. I'm so excited because I've never tried anything from Bobbi Brown. This is the liquid lipstick that they sent me. It says Bobbi Brown right there. The packaging is super cute. I love it. Crushed liquid lip in the shade Big Apple. So it looks like a really bright color. I never used the color this bright. So I am really excited. It looks like a color I could use during spring or summer. So let's swatch it really quick. Ooh, look at the wand. It's really different from anything I've seen or used before. Very interesting. Let me swatch it now. This is what it looks like. It's a really bright red, like orangey red color. Ooh, I'm excited to try this out. I'll probably try it on today since I'm not wearing any lipstick.
Hopefully I don't look weird.
So let's try it on the lips. It's really pretty. I feel like the wand doesn't get enough product though. Well, so far the lip, well, it's so bright on the camera, but so far it feels really moisturizing. So this is what it looks like, you guys. It doesn't look so bright in person. I mean, I like it. What do you guys think? It's definitely a color that I never used before because it's like really bright. But I really love how it feels on my lips. It doesn't feel drying or anything. The description of the liquid lipstick says,
this feel-good formula wraps lips in the full coverage of a liquid lip. Emollient-rich moisture of a balm and sweet sheen of a gloss for a plumped-up look and comfortable feel. Plus, it's infused with a blend of superfruit extracts, including cranberries and blueberries. Fun and effortless. The 14 super saturated shades, from bare to bold to bright, are so blendable they are virtually mistake-proof. Fall into a crush with crushed liquid lip. Available at Sephora.
So I do like it. I'm definitely gonna be using this type of shade during summer. I'm trying to use different lipstick colors.
Now that I'm older and mature, I'm just kidding, not mature, just older.
But anyways, I really love how it feels. It feels like I'm wearing a chapstick or something. But the color is really bright. Let's see what my boyfriend says. Definitely does not match what I'm wearing today. So, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Have you guys tried this liquid lipstick before? Do you guys plan on buying one of these liquid lipsticks? They have 14 other shades, so I really want to try another of their shades because I really like the texture and how it feels on my lips. So thank you Bobbi Brown and Influenster for sending me this. I'm really happy with it. That is all for today. I hope you guys liked my mini unboxing video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.